Communications and Dissemination Manager for Renault. We are a 4-year Horizon 2020 funded project that's working towards accelerating the rate of deep renovation in energy inefficient buildings around Europe by increasing the energy performance of these buildings and the efficiency of deep renovation projects in terms of cost and time. So the EU is committed to becoming climate neutral by 2050 under the European climate law. But one of the biggest barriers to achieving this climate goal is the EU building stock itself. This currently accounts for 40% of the EU's energy consumption and 36% of greenhouse gas emissions. And that's where deep renovation really becomes key. Deep renovation is a form of renovation that captures the full economic energy efficiency potential of improvement works based on improving the heating and cooling demand through the use of low energy consuming equipment, renewable energy sources, smart building principles, and a general integrated approach to these multi-stakeholder projects. Thanks so much for listening.